Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider. You're having startup repair issue or automatic repair issue. This video will fix it for you. On the error screen, click Advanced Options. Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Here in the command prompt, you need to type this command sfc /scan now and press the enter key. This process will take some time. You need to wait patiently until the verification completes to 100%. It is completed and says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. We are making success. Let's continue with the next command. bootrec /fixmbr and press the enter key when you're done. The operation completed successfully. And next command. bootrec /nt60 sys. Press the enter key. Next command, bootrec /fixboot. Hit the enter key. If you get access denied, it's not a problem. Don't worry. The next command will fix it. bootrec /rebuild bcd. Hit the enter key. And now the last command, check disk /f /r C and $. Hit the enter key. This is going to check and scan the entire disk, so you need to wait patiently for this. It is done, and for me it takes about 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Yours could be more than that. Now exit or close command prompt. Back to the option screen, click continue. And the system is going to start up. I hope it works for you. If it does not, no problem, let's go next. On the error screen, click Advanced Options. Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Startup Settings. And here you click Restart. And on this screen, you need to press 5 on the keyboard to enable safe mode with networking. And in case you click Restart on this screen, and this is the kind of screen you get, just use the arrow keys to select it and press enter key. Now the system looks different as it is in safe mode. Find your way to Windows Start Search and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Program and Features. View Installed Updates. And you're going to see a list of updates you've done on your system. Pay attention to the dates of the updates and make sure you select the most recent one and uninstall. Uninstall again. When you're done uninstalling, come back to this screen here and take your time to search for the recent apps or software you just recently installed that may be causing the problem. You may refer to the dates here to track the recent ones that may be causing the issue and uninstall it. Then you restart your computer after this. On the error screen, click Advanced Options. Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Startup Settings. And Restart. Press 8 on the keyboard to disable early launch anti-malware protection. And in case you click Restart from this screen and this is what you're getting, no problem, Just use the arrow keys to select it and press enter key. And the system is going to start up for you. If it does not, let's try again. Find your way back to this screen. Troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, restart. And this time, you press 9 on the keyboard to disable automatic restart after failure. If this is what you get, use the arrow keys to select and press the enter key. Now your system should start up normally. If it does not, let's try the next method. This looks so simple, but I bet it works. Now press and hold down the power button for about 30 seconds. Just press and hold it still for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, let it go. Then if you can remove the battery of your device, you can do that. If you cannot, no problems. Wait for another 30 seconds and power on the device. I hope it works for you.